Keeping Windows up to date is a key part of making sure you can operate smoothly and securely. Updates aren't just to patch security vulnerabilities, they also can provide new features and make sure your computer can run software smoothly and prevent buggy behavior. Luckily, Kettering IT automatically pushes out updates to machines on our domain. Here's how you can help to make sure your computer gets its updates in a timely manner. To not interfere with classes or work schedules, Kettering pushes out updates during after work hours. To make sure programs don't accidentally block the update, leave your computer on and sign out by clicking on the Windows menu, your profile image and name, and sign out. To the same effect, you can just restart your computer by going to the Windows menu, Power, and Restart. After restarting, it'll leave you powered on and at the sign-on window, exactly where you need to be. The last option is manual and will let you check your update status on your own if you'd like. Just search for updates, click Check for Updates, and see your status. If you're not already up to date, the option to do so will be right there. Bonus tip: if you're worried about restarting because you don't want to lose the important tabs you have open in Chrome, don't worry, they're fully recoverable. After restarting, just hit the three-dot menu, History, and then open back up your set of tabs. Thanks for doing your part to keep Kettering up to date and running smoothly. If you have any questions or need further help updating, just contact the help desk at helpdesk@kettering.edu.